Okay, hello Isabella. I'm Jake Dunham and I'll be doing your resume audit today. So I've looked over your CV and you've got a lot of really good information on here. Uh, there's a few edits that I'm going to suggest, but other than those couple of edits, it's looking good. My first thing is I can't really tell if you used a template or not on this, or if you just kind of free-handed that. But I think if we use some sort of template, it would look a little more professional. I kind of looked around for a good CV template, and I wasn't crazy about all of them, but I think this one right here is probably closest to what we're going to need. So basically, your name here, your info here. This paragraph wouldn't be here. This is just for just some tips for it. But you can see first they have the education. Obviously, we don't have the PhD or the MS, so those wouldn't be there. But you can see how they have university name. And then I would probably go university name, and then right here, Magnolia, Arkansas. Under here, I would put what the BS in psychology. If you have a minor, you can put that there. Over here, I would put, they have May 2020, whatever. I would put expected and just, you have, let's see, graduation May 2024. So here you would put expected May 2024. And you can see right here where they have all their dates lined up, where it's very easy for an employer to be able to see when things happened. And so I would definitely follow that part of the template. And then you can see just throughout the template they have different things, and so you would just use what you needed to use and delete the stuff that you don't need, like for example, patents. You don't have any patents, and so and teaching experience, you don't have any of that, so you could take out the things that you don't need. Next they have honors and awards. I would move that down and put your work experience next. A lot of this is pretty much up to you, like how you want it. But if you're when you do your work experience, it needs to follow the education format. So you put your most recent job, and let's see, you would put at the first thing you would put is Southern Arkansas University. Let's see, then under that you would want to put your student affairs worker position, and then you would want to put your tasks in bullets under that. You'd want to put your date over here, so you would put 2020 to present here. Oh, I'm sorry, 2020 to present here. And then you would list your next job using the same format. Okay, let's go back to yours. Okay. So then you have, I'm thinking we need to move that research experience down. So next we'd have your university service. And I would take off the Southern Arkansas University here, because you're going to want to put this stuff right here, your source stuff, and your letter project. You want to set that up like you would your work experience. So instead of edit this, but and right here you would have Southern Arkansas University, and then under that you would have SOAR Sustainability Committee, and then you have a little paragraph, that little paragraph about what y'all did. And then over here is when you put your dates over here, summer 2022 to present here. And then again, Southern Arkansas University, letter project, what y'all have done with the date over in this, over in this area. You know, actually though, now that I'm kind of thinking about this, I think we would put the research experience in between work experience and university service. Now, okay, so on your research experience, you have research in progress and then research in progress again. I don't think you need it twice. I would take it off one place or the other. I'll go back and look and see. Okay, and see, this is where they have theirs. So you may, it looks like they set it up a little bit like the job stuff, but if you wanted to put, you know, I would move the fall 2020 over here, and then if you wanted to leave everything else like it was, I think that'd be okay. Okay, so then when we have our university service, then we'd have our community service, which again needs to be set up a little bit different. Like community service, you would just put Boys and Girls Club, and then volunteer mentor would go under that. Magnolia, Arkansas would go right beside the Boys and Girls Club, and then spring 2022 would go over here, and then Southern Arkansas University, and then Magnolia, Arkansas, under that, fill the bag challenge with what it was, with your dates again over here. Certifications, I would probably put the mandated reporter, move your dates over here so that everything is lining up. I would again just put Southern Arkansas University, Magnolia, Arkansas. Under that, you'd put Blue and Gold Excellence Scholarship with the date moved over here. Skills, I would put bullet points here under with your skills. Now your honors. Oh, that's bad. Okay, so honors right here. Now you can see how they've listed it out like this. Just the award, a brief description, and then the year. It's going to look a lot neater this way, I believe. And so it's easy. You would just you would just put at Southern Arkansas University honors college membership with the you keep your description, just move your dates over. Same with all of these. I was going to suggest, where's your honors? Okay, so I wouldn't put named on the dean's list. I would just put Southern Arkansas University, and then under that, dean's list. Same with the president's list, both here and here. I would take that off. It's not necessary. This is a list that is named to every student who earned. You may say something, I'm not exactly sure, you'd have to play with the words, but maybe something like, under the description, just say, distinction awarded to students who earn 3.5 or higher during the semester. Just kind of to throw some action words in there, and it's going to jump off the page. And then your references, those are good. Oops. Your references are good. Normally, if you're doing a resume, you would not have your references, but with a CV, you can add them if you want to. So that's good. Now you did not put. You need to add. I believe you need to add doctor before each of these names, since they do have PhDs. But I think, looking over my notes, I think that's all the suggestions that I had. So if you want to edit that, I know you need to turn this in soon. If you want me to look at it again, I can. That's totally up to you, but just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.